stress. We can't eliminate it, but we can adapt to it. Meet Adaptogen Elixir from Isagenix, a sophisticated fusion of ancient adaptogens and botanicals in a rose-flavored effervescent drink. With a selection of stress-fighting adaptogens like eulithro, astragalus, schisandra, rhodiola, and ashwagandha to support your body with balance, calm, and mental clarity. Adaptogens don't make stress disappear, they help you adapt to stress. Without adaptogens, you can stay in the exhaustion phase too long, which has shown to lead to health trouble. But with adaptogens, you stay in the resistance phase longer. So instead of spiraling towards stress, you stay focused. You may not be able to avoid stress, but you can help calm your chaos. Isagenix Adaptogen Elixir.